To add a link button in Canva, you want to open your document and you want to come over to elements here, and you want to come down to shapes. We're going to use shapes to create this link button. I would open that and I will come over to the basic shapes. Let's see all the basic shape, and if you scroll you're going to see the basic shapes, and we're going to click on any of these shapes. You can pretty much do this. We're going to click on this and we'll go over to colors, and you want to choose the color that your link will be on. Say we want to put our link in this color, and let's begin to spread how we want our link button, the size of our link button to look like. If this is the size you're going for, now the next thing I would like to do is to give it a bit of corner rounding. I will give it corner rounding of 50, and once I have that corner rounding, you see it begins to take the shape of a tablet, and I will still click on it and go to the stroke style. I'll make the stroke width to be 10, and still on the stroke I will come over to the stroke color here, and I'll change the stroke color to a different color that will accentuate it. Let's use this color. We'll go back to the stroke width and maybe take it. I think it's okay this way. Once you have this button, we're going to come over to text here, and we'll add a text box, and let's reduce the size of our text box. Visit link, go click out of the text box, click back in and come in here. We want to reduce the size of our text box to 28. Now let's resize this a bit. We'll bring the text here so that it's centered. Let's do this. Maybe let's increase the text size again to 50. Let's see what that gives. Yeah, this is sort of better. And let's select everything and go over to position, go to arrange, and make it at the center and to the middle. Now that we have this, we're going to click into the text here and change the color to cream. You see our button begins to take effect. So now to make this now a link, I'll click on this text box, either on the text box or on the shape itself. But I pretty much prefer to click on the text box and come over to these three dots and come down here, and you would see link, and from here you want to paste the link you want to add. Done. This is now a link button. You can still take out that underline that is on the link. You can remove it by coming here and removing the underline on the link. Let's change it to small, please. So you see, if I click on this text box, you see that this is a link. That way you've added a link to a button, and people can direct people to where to go to.